In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the best autoclose tag extension on your Visual Code Studio program. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So autoclose tag extension is one of the best extensions that helps you to automatically add HTML as well as XML close tags, same as Visual Studio IDE or Sublime Text. To get this extension, open your VS Code program and then head to extensions down here. From here, you can search for any extension using the search bar here. So if I click on this, I'll just search for autoclose tag. And here you can see we have quite a number of autoclose tag extensions that are available. I'm interested in this first one. And this is the most popular autoclose tag that is very much effective. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Jan Han. And at the time of recording this, it had over 16.7 million downloads with a star rating of 4 out of 5. And currently it has over 102 reviews. So by the time you're watching this data might have changed. The current version or the latest version is version 0.5.15. And it is actively being updated. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right autoclose tag. To get it, click on install here, and this will proceed and install autoclose tag extension on your VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.